Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can I get full coverage insurance on a rebuilt title car? Many insurers that write policies for rebuilt title cars will only write limited policies. This may only include liability coverage, which is required in most states, and covers the costs incurred when you cause damage or injury with your vehicle.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The cons of buying a rebuilt title car. The required inspection doesn't mean the car's safe. There may be hidden damage. You may need to pay cash. Rebuilt title insurance may be tough to get. Your resale value will be lower.
Let's help you make your mark.
How does a rebuilt title affect the value of a car? A vehicle having a rebuilt title will likely have a lower value because it underwent significant damage. Compared to similar models with clean titles, a car with a rebuilt title could have 20 to 40% less value, amounting to potentially thousands of dollars.
Take our lead.
There are few lenders willing to provide a salvage title auto loan. Westlake Financial is one of them, but most lenders will not. This is largely because it's almost impossible to get collision insurance for a salvage car. In other words, the lender probably won't get its money back if the car gets into a crash.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.